Hey guys, I'm Hasper with WTI, and I know a lot of us love Apple products, and this is not the exception. I am in love with this iPhone 11, and I know it's been in the market for a while. Such a great phone with great camera and great battery, and that's why I keep it. It has seamlessly integrated into my daily life, becoming more than just a gadget, but my digital companion. And I love how sleek and durable it is. The glass and aluminum body feels really premium and it fits perfectly in my hand. I love that the display is really bright and it makes taking pictures and recording videos an enjoyable experience. That's why I love it so much. And I don't need more than 64 gigabytes, so the storage capacity is just great. Even though it's modest, it allows me to record videos and take pictures, and I have never run out of space. The battery lasts a decent time, so I don't have to worry about interrupting other activities because I have to look for the charger. In summary, I love it because it's easy to use. The design is really ergonomic, really easy to hold. I love the back of it. It has a glossy finish, and I think it's a pretty reliable tool. So if you're looking for an affordable and reliable iPhone, well, this one I highly recommend. This is the iPhone 11 again. It has great battery, great camera, and I think it's everything we all need if we're looking for a good phone that is also stylish. So that is my point of view.